fucking for? What's the point of saying my mouth stinks? What's the point of saying you are rich, you have money, 1, 2, 3? That's dumb, bro. And if you're gonna go around saying you're a child of God with all that arrogance, my friend, come on, dog. That was very disappointing for me. I've given Casper his flowers so many times. Even people know it. That one time I say, I think you selfish is attacking me, 1, 2, 3. Stupid boy.
Conclusion. No, but as well, no, I'll say, bro, I got a bad taste from.
Yes. That's crazy.
From him when he said, "You want to be where I am,
Bro.
It's giving narcissistic, bro.
He is narcissistic. That's what I'm saying. He's selfish as
you
a
can't-
taker.
bro. And this is not a rap beef, bro.